Hello friends, Windrila from Urpang Design, crafted in New Delhi. Uh, Today there are some Kashmiri beauties which definitely would make you look lovely in summers, and the fabric are uh, pure Kota Doria, then pure Siko Chanderi silk by cotton, and there are this blended crepe also. So which are all summer fabric and can be utilized and draped very nicely for summers. And we have this time I have given it's under a broad umbrella of Kashidakari, Kashmiri Kashidakari. I have created three what chicken pattern of embroidery. Now, what chicken pattern differs from Sozni or paper mache or Ari embroidery in certain ways. The first is that it has a three-dimensional effect because it has, it's thick. The thread work is thickly done, so that it gives a lifted the floral pattern. It's and typically very floral, so the patterns are raised from the surface. So that is on very high end shawls and stoles and saris, this kind of embroideries are done particularly in Achkan. So let me start with the first sari in this. That's in this particular embroidery. See the embroidery. It looks like an embossed, kalakari. I mean, there's that Taj Mahal floral work, inlay work. So it looks like that, and has a complete 3D effect. If you can see, these are the raised, this embroidery is raised from the body of the sari. So it has a raised effect. If you can see, so the thickness of this and the thread used also is much more because it uses two ply thread. It is not a single ply work, it uses two ply thread. So see the sari, it is a extremely stunning Kota sari, Kota Doria, with a light nice golden selvage tissue, rose gold tissue selvage, with this kind of an embroidery. I mean, it's like, see, this is the palla, this is the palla. That's the stunning palla. That is the stunning palla in which this kind of floral pattern embroidery is done. And if I how beautifully the border has been done. There are this part of thick embroidery in the border. So, and this this work, this um, feather stitch, this is called a feather stitch, has been also done, added to the beauty. So this is the beauty of the sari. The maroon color is just stunning, absolutely stunning. It's a deep maroon color. So this is the embroidery. Kota Doria sari, fabulous. And so that's the fall of the sari. That's the fall of the sari. See the border, and the whole body has this border pattern overall, and then this small butta. The small buttas are there. So absolutely mind blowing. It's a magnificent work sari. It's a magnificent combination. These saris don't have a blouse piece, but then I can team up. Since we are trained, Morpung design is all about teaming and giving nice designing and combinations and what more. I mean, so we can actually give that kind of a blouse. I'll just come. So one can one can this is a Gaumti print, hand block print in natural dye. So one can team up this kind of a blouse piece with the sari. See the sari and the blouse, how beautiful. This is the blouse and that's the sari. So this is sari number 1. The second sari in pure Kota Doria what chicken embroidery is this. What would you say about these saris? Like, see the work. It takes about 3 to 4 months to get one sari finished. See the layout, absolutely. Just single layout. See the layout and the embroidery pattern. See the back. How beautiful. Exquisite work. exquisite work, effort. See the body. I mean, see, this is the palla. This is the palla, and see the palla. Excellent work, workmanship. I love Kashmiri craftsmanship. I mean, you can just die for that. I mean, the fabric, the quality of work, the texture of the work, and so this is also what chicken embroidery, where this you get this 3D effect. You get this 3D effect on the floral jal, and what chicken always is identified by floral patterns. Only it has a beautiful, lifted look on the fabric. So that's the one. Completely done with needle. It's all needle embroidery, completely done with needle. And it takes about 3.5 months for one sari to get done. So just the effort and the craftsmanship, and it's pure Kota Doria, cotton Kota Doria. I have always said that cotton Kota Doria also has 70% cotton fiber and 30% silk fiber, and that's why the softness, the flow, and everything comes. So we have teamed this up with this Pedana Kalamkari blouse piece, Pedana Kalamkari blouse piece with this paper mache on kota. That's a beige color kota. This is paper mache embroidery on kota. So this is like this. Paper mache has a distinctive feature. Can you guess what is the distinctive feature in a paper mache embroidery? It is the border. Paper mache embroidery always has this border, it has a outline. It has an outline. First the outline is done and then the color is filled. So the paper mache embroidery has an outline. That is the distinctive feature of paper mache embroidery. And so because it comes on paper mache jewelry, and there's all the home decor items and all that are there. So that has an outline, work like this. And this is the whole sari. See, the color is golden beige. The color is actually golden beige. It's actually yellow, ochreish yellow. It's ochreish yellow, and the combination is stunning. It is absolutely stunning. Absolutely marvel of sarees. See. So that is the border, and this buta, the small butas are all there in the body, all over the body, no more no less. This border runs all through. So that's the whole sari. That is the whole sari. See the getup. And what I have done, I have given a Pedana Kalamkari blouse piece with this. See the blouse piece and the colors of this natural dye color which would come when you wear the sari with this blouse piece. I don't think you have actually seen this kind of a combination. Absolutely. So this is the combination. So this is a pure handloom chanderi with gold, golden selvage. And these saris have a blouse along with the sari. So see the sari, see the color combination and the work. This is that again. It's a what chicken embroidery. See the embroidery. If I'm holding close. See the embroidery. Absolutely stunning. And the color is pistachio green. It's a pistachio green color, which is perfect for this weather and the summer pastel fashion. See the border, completely handcrafted border, and this part also. You can feel the 3D, the thickness of the thread work, because these are all, the shows like that. Again, another masterpiece sari, another masterpiece of a creation, and these takes huge long time to see the sari. That's the combination. That is the border. That is the upper and the lower border. That's the palla, and the blouse has this beautiful hand embroidered border. You will get it on your blouse sleeves. This part, 1 meter blouse. So that's chanderi. Magnificent one. And the fabric, absolutely nice handloom chanderi fabric. So, and That is sari number 1 in Chanderi. Sari number 2 in Chanderi is another kind of lemony white. It's a lemony white shade of white, ivory white, a little tone of lemon, I guess, on this. See the embroidery. Another paper mache embroidery. See the embroidery. Absolutely just stunning. See. Again, paper mache embroidery is always have an outline. So the whole embroidery, and this looks like a mosaic. This looks like a mosaic. Absolutely. This embroidery actually looks like a mosaic on the floor. You know, the floral mosaic on the sari, I would call it. That's kind of a mosaic, look. See, that's the whole sari. The border, this buta, completely upper to lower, till the knee. All the butas are there till the knee in the pleat area, and in front it covers you full. Absolutely. And that's the palla. Gorgeous palla. Absolutely gorgeous palla. And that is the blouse piece with this work. So Chanderi sari number 2. Just grab them. Just grab them. What do you know? Again, it is a deep maroonish pink color. It's a maroonish pink color, again with a paper mache. Here the embroidery is, the outline is done with white color because it's a dark fabric. So the color is, again, it's a brick color, I would say, the brick, little towards the brick color. Again, a very, very stunning piece. See the work. See the work. I mean, see the back of the embroidery, how neat it can be. See the back. So that's the complete hand done work, and please do have some love and like for these kind of handcrafted saris, like from Kashmir has always been into trouble, turbulent conditions. The weather condition is harsh, extreme, and and of course everybody knows about the the rest of the other the safety issues and things like that. But still, I mean, they are fighting all the odds. They do such kind of stunning work, and I just hats off to them. Hats off to their work and workmanship. So this is the sari. That's the border, lower border. That's the buta. Extremely beautiful. Whoever wears such saris will just mind blowing, completely mind blowing. And so that's the blouse piece work. That's the work on the blouse piece. That is the work on the blouse piece. See, that is the work on the blouse piece. So you have these two on the sleeves, and then rest of the sari. So another chanderi. So I have 3 of these. This is an Italian crepe and in a lavenderish color, light lavenderish color. Very beautiful sari, very, very beautiful sari, and perfect for this see this Sozni. So this is a absolutely beautiful Sozni work with this chinar leaf pattern. See, that's the palla. Extremely beautiful. The whole sari has this small buta, and I just have opened the whole sari, so I'll just quickly make a little pleats, and see how fabulous is the drape, how fabulous is the fabric, that I can just make the quickest of the pleats. So that's the pleat. Very smart and very, very nice. So that's the pleat, that's the palla, and this is your work on the sleeves. This full work on the sleeves. See, full work on the sleeves. So that is one sari. This one sari is in blended crepe, and another ivory color paper mache embroidery. Again, I told you that they have these borders. So these are also on the blended crepe. Kota, 3 Kota saris are there, 3 Chanderi saris are there, and these 2 are on the blended crepe. Italian crepe, blended crepe, whatever you call. But the embroidery is just majestic. See the embroidery. See the embroidery. Very, very beautiful. Multicolored embroidery, multicolored paper mache work on ivory white. Nothing can be more beautiful than this. So this also has a very stunning the fabric combination, and so that's the lower border, lower part of the sari in the pleat area basically. So this has this border. The pleat area is this. So that's the complete sari. So these Kashmiri beauties are available with me, and they have just done. So please check out and let me know, whoever wants to go for any of these. Thank you.